The Ebony Splendor brushes feature a multi-filament Teijin hair that is going to very closely mimic that of like a red Sable. They are available in both long handle and short handle, so they're great for anything from watercolor to acrylic and oil. Now, since I have a long handle in my hand here, I'll just kind of show you it with some acrylic and then show you it with some watercolor. Now the hair comes to super fine edges and points, as you can see. They stay together extremely well. If I push in the center, you see it's not splitting on me. It's keeping its shape, which is just a testament to the quality of the hair. And now we'll just go into some color here. So like a red Sable, a little softer feel, usually minimal brush strokes will appear. And also, you know, like most synthetic brushes, you're not going to get like a lot of loose hairs in your paint, which can be super annoying. But they do hold a lot of color and cover very well. And really the only difference between the acrylic and oil brushes versus the watercolor brushes are the handle length and some specific sizes, which I'll show you. So just from this little flat, you can see a large area of paint can cover. And then let me just go ahead and switch this out and show you their watercolor brushes. So this is a size 12 round, and just I hope you can see just how sharp a point that comes to. And let's just kind of see what kind of marks and strokes we can make. So the first thing I'll try to do is do some broader strokes. And you can see the hair is staying together. It's not splitting. And then if I wanted to do more detailed work, you can just see how fine of an edge or a point it will keep. All kinds of techniques, holds lots of water for a synthetic brush. Look at that. Lots of water. And as you can see, there's no loose hairs in my paint, which is always very nice. And then I mentioned earlier that there's some specific, brush heads and sizes that are, for things such as watercolor. So this is a number 2 rigger brush. So they've got the super long brush hair, and that's for holding a lot of paint and a very fine line. And the idea is to be able to keep controlled singular lines without refilling your brush while still maintaining that point. Super sharp lines. And I could keep going. So these are the Ebony Splendor brushes, watercolor, acrylic, oil, whatever your medium of choice. Great tool to have around your studio.